What's the meaning of carboniferous? Carboniferous. Carboniferous.
Carboniferous. Carboniferous. The term Carboniferous refers to a geological period that occurred 358.9 million to 298.9 million years ago, during the Paleozoic era. The name is derived from the vast amounts of carbon-rich material that was deposited during this time, which later formed coal deposits. This was a period of extensive plant growth, particularly ferns and seedless vascular plants, which eventually led to a rise in atmospheric oxygen levels and the evolution of new animal species. The Carboniferous period saw the emergence of amphibians and the first reptiles, as well as the development of large forests and swamps.